What's up you guys, it's Kelsey and welcome back to my channel. It's almost my kids' bedtime. They are watching a movie with my husband. He had to work really late tonight. But I finally got my Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. So let's open this bad boy up. Reach out and find your happily ever after. First, I just want to talk about how stinking cute this box is. The first thing my kids noticed was the up house. Like over here. Lots of cute stuff. So a little bit about my box. You can choose your gender, your age, your interests. I put obviously that I was a female, that I was 18 plus, and my favorite things were Rapunzel. Like I really like the parks, so that hopefully I can get some park merch because obviously I haven't been to Disney in a little while and I won't be going for a little while. So a little bit about Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, which I'm not sponsored by. I just got one this month just to try because I've been watching so many unboxings of this and it looks so awesome. I got the $30 package, I think, so I had a discount code. So with that plus shipping, I think it was less than $40, like maybe $38. And so I'm excited. They use small shops and Disney merchandise and all of that to create your own specific box. So my box is going to be totally different from other people's boxes. So I'm super excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Okay. So when we first open it, the first thing in here is Mama Odie. It says, go on and dig a little deeper. Inside your Bibbidi Bobbidi box, you might just find something magical. Tag us in your unboxing. When you find out who you are, you'll find out what you need. Blue skies and sunshine, guaranteed. Okay, and then it has Pooh and Piglet, and it says, spoiler alert, packing slip. So this we are gonna wanna open last to make sure everything's in here. So inside our box, it has this cute little sticker. And it's got purple paper. I don't know if everybody always has purple paper. Okay, let's open this up. Lots of packing stuff in here. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. It is. There's a witch's candle in here. I'm not sure which one. But let's see. I have my other wishes candle. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it right up here. But this is a yacht and beach one. Wow. Let me see how it smells. Oh, it smells so good. That's awesome. Also, when I signed up for this box, you can choose to get a lot of stuff or a little bit of stuff. So that basically quality over quantity. And I picked that option. Let's see what else. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It is a little world traveler bag from the parks. It is a parks exclusive. Let's take this out. So it's kind of like a little wallet. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. It says goodbye, ciao, and au revoir. Awesome. Okay. Got some other stuff in here. Oh my word. Got this little pin. I wonder if this is Casey and the bear that made this. If you guys know who I'm talking about. It says, send me someone to lava. So cute. Okay. I'm not sure if there's anything else in here. Oh, a guide map from Magic Kingdom right now. This is so cool. If you guys like the parks like I do, I'm missing the 90th anniversary of Mickey, so I don't get, so this is cool. Because it's just got everything that's going on in there right now. It's just a little bit, just a little bit of magic in there. Okay, and then of course we have our wishes Candle Co. postcard. that comes in here. And I think that's everything. And I'm making a huge mess. Huge mess. Yep, so that's everything in here. It's a park bound pen, which I think is the same thing that I was talking about. But yeah, so this tells everything that was in here and the cost of everything. So like I said, I picked the one that was retail value, so quality over quantity. So this candle runs around $20, $23-ish. And then our little pen is like $5, I think. And then this was like 20. So it is a little bit over the $30 or that I paid for it. So value-wise, I got a lot of stuff. Now, what do I think about the stuff that I got? Well, I really like that it's just a fun surprise that you get, and you're supporting a small shop that's supporting other small shops, as well as Disney merch. So I'm really excited about it. I am a little disappointed that I didn't get anything Rapunzel though. I was really hoping like maybe even one of these could have been Rapunzel. So I am a little bit disappointed about that. Unfortunately, since we are paying off debt, I'm not gonna be able to do this as a monthly subscription at this moment, but Kyle and I have really been like having a very difficult time not booking a Disney trip and not throwing it on a credit card, and it's something that we struggle with every year. So we decided to take a beach vacation just to kind of push that away. And then I got this Bibbidi Bobbidi Box to give me a little bit of home. And I'm glad that I did, but I did go ahead and cancel it before I even got this because I just wanted to try it this month. But hopefully in the future, when we have debt paid off and we have a little bit more of a disposable income, I can start ordering it again. So that is it, guys. This is everything that I got from Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. If you guys would like to get your own Bibbidi Bobbidi box, I will link them down below. And please let me know if you have, if you got one this month, so I can head over and check out your video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Always remember to dream big, and I will see you next Wednesday. I actually recorded a video already because I wasn't sure this would be here in time. So make sure to come back next Wednesday by hitting that subscribe button so you can see my whole DVD and Blu-ray Disney collection. Bye, guys.